Okay, so I probably should have showed you guys my process for wrapping my hair around the pipe cleaners, but basically I went to Michael's, got some pipe cleaners. I put two pipe cleaners together. I wrap three locks around the pipe cleaners. What I do is I spray the As I Am rosemary water on my locks to get it saturated. Sorry. And then I use the Design Essentials mousse. And then I just saturate my lock, not too wet, just a little damp. And then I put the mousse on it, and then I'll wrap it at the base like a couple of times. And then I will wrap three locks around each one, and then kind of like wrap it at the end. Anyways, I'm going to show you what it's going to look like in the morning. I'm going to sleep like this and show you the lovely curls in the morning. Okay, so I completely forgot to film myself taking out the pipe cleaners, but basically this is the look after I take out the pipe cleaners. So for some reason, this side never completely dry, and I have to like use a blow dryer to dry it. Basically, I slept with it overnight. This side, the curls are, I think, a little bit more popping than this side because again, it didn't dry completely. I tried blow drying it, but I really didn't have the patience to continue to wait. But yeah, this is the style, and it'll last for a week or so, and then after that you'll still have like some body, some waves and stuff, but it won't be as defined or as tight as this. Now if I had left them in longer throughout the day, I mean overnight, and then half of today, the curls probably would have been a lot tighter and they'll last a lot longer, but I don't have time for that, so I had to take them out. I will insert a picture up here of one of the styles I did with this with my hair curl. But locks are very versatile, okay? So don't let the idea of getting locks and not being able to do a lot with your hair stop you from locking your hair, because you can do a lot with your hair locked. And it is going to depend on like the size. Like if they're bigger, then it might be a little bit harder to do a lot of styles, but the smaller they are, the easier it is to style. But then again, with the smaller they are, they'll probably be a little bit more dense, and I don't know if they'll have a lot of volume. So being in this medium size category or whatever is probably best. Well, at least for me, I'm not speaking for anyone else, but for me, this size works. It's versatile. I can do styles. I can get braids. I can do a lot of stuff. I mean, look at the Chloe and Haley, all the stuff that they do with their locks. So if you're considering it, you're on the fence, but you're like, ooh, I can't do a lot of styles, go ahead and lock it, because you can still even wear a lace front. I don't know why you would want to, but you can still even wear a lace front with locks. You can get braids with locks. You can curl your locks. You can put your hair in a French roll with locks. You can do a lot of stuff. So just go ahead and do it, sis.